Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we're no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming to prove it. We work hard to ensure our customers are happy and satisfied with the work we do for them, and we'll work hard for you too. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.